In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set a default sheet direction for all new workbooks in Microsoft Excel. This setting can make a significant difference in your workflow, especially if you often work with languages that are read in different directions, like Hebrew or Arabic, which are read from right to left, or if you just prefer a certain orientation. To get started, open up Microsoft Excel. This is the main application we'll be focusing on today. Once Excel is open, you'll be looking for the File option, usually found at the top left corner of your window. Click on File, and you'll be presented with a menu. Here you'll see a list of options, but for now, direct your attention to the Options menu item towards the bottom. This step brings you into the Excel Options dialog box, which is essentially the hub where you can customize many settings in Excel to best suit your needs. Now that you're in the Excel Options dialog box, the next destination is the Advanced section. You'll find it listed on the left-hand side among several other categories like Formulas, Proofing, and Customize Ribbon. Once you click on Advanced, the right side of the dialog box will populate with a plethora of adjustable settings. This may seem overwhelming at first, but don't worry. We're here for a specific task. Scroll down through these options until you find the section labeled Display. This may take a moment depending on the speed of your scrolling, but it's easy to spot once you've reached it. Within the Display section, keep an eye out for a subset of options titled Default Direction. This is where you get to choose the direction in which your new worksheets will read by default. You'll notice two options to choose from. The first is left to right, which is the standard direction for many languages, including English. The second option is right to left, which is ideal for languages that follow this reading direction, as previously mentioned. Select the option that best suits your needs or the type of content you typically work with. Once you've made your choice, confirm it by clicking OK. This will save your settings and ensure that from now on, all new workbooks you create will default to the direction you've set. This simple change can help streamline your Excel experience, providing a comfortable and efficient setup that aligns with your personal preferences or professional requirements. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've customized your Excel experience to better suit your specific needs. I hope this has been helpful in enhancing your productivity with Microsoft Excel. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to check out other tips and tutorials for more ways to optimize your workflow.